Hey guys, this is Salman Sayyed and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because today I bought a new camera. It just arrived and I'm very excited because this is my first ever Sony camera and my first ever full frame camera, if I say. I'm very excited. I don't even know how do I start this video, but I switched from Canon to Sony and then I'm going to highlight 7 major features of this beautiful camera. So this camera is Sony Alpha A7 IV Mark IV. So that is the camera. I just bought it and I was actually waiting for Sony to bring this feature in the camera. So I'm very excited. So I'm gonna do unboxing. Ta-da-da. So tada, you guys can see the mark, the symbol here, Sony. And let's unbox this camera. So once you open it, the first thing you'll find is this pouch. I don't know what it has, so let's open it. Guys, I'm very excited for this camera. I was just waiting, this camera came after 3 weeks, so it was 3 weeks backlog. There was no camera available. USB-C cable to charge. Then you got some $1,000 visa registration, some kind of warranty, some manual and warranty and all those things. Sony product, all those again. Now let's open the box. I like that packing, man. Look at this. There was nothing here except those paper. So first thing, they have this leather strap. This is the leather neck strap. So I think it's pretty cool. It's better than the Canon. I like the texture of this leather. Then you got this charger. It looks like it's like a mobile charger. You plug into the camera with the USB. So they didn't give you any charger, I guess. Yup, battery. Then I got this lens. So usually people buy just the body, but I bought it with the lens because this is my first ever Sony camera. All the lenses I have, they are all Canon lenses, so I had to buy this lens. It's a pretty beautiful new lens I got, Sony lens with the hood. Wow, look at the weight, it's so light. So this lens is 28-70mm. And now finally, check this. See this box, it looks like, you know, those egg carrot, like we put all the eggs, it's like that. So let's keep this aside and take out the camera. You guys ready? Excited? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Man, this is so beautiful. Pretty light, easy camera. So this camera has so many cool new good features, but my reasons are a little bit different than actual features. I mean, yes, the features I love about this camera, but I am switching directly from Canon to Sony. And one of the reasons is I always wanted to buy a mirrorless camera, but full frame. So I do have a mirrorless camera which I'm filming through. It's Canon M50, but I wanted a full frame camera. So this is my first ever Sony full frame mirrorless camera. Now let's talk about why did I buy this camera and why did I switch from Canon to Sony. Number one reason is the size of this camera. If you see, it's very small, thin camera compared to my Canon 90D. Canon 90D was really good camera and it is still a good camera, but I wanted something smaller, something lighter, and this mirrorless camera is one of the best fit for my requirement. Plus it is a full frame camera. I've never ever had a full frame camera before, so I wanted to have one full frame camera. Another reason is this camera is a good combo for photography and videography. This camera has a 33 megapixel for photos, and plus it can take 4K video up to 60 frames per second, and if you're filming in 1080p you can go up to 120 frames per second. This is one of the best features in a camera. As a videographer and photographer, I would love to have it because I also do side income as like a photographer, and I'm a good photographer, so I make money through that. So having one of the best versatile hybrid camera is one of the best choice. I think I would say I went from Canon to Sony. This has a really awesome focusing features, so eye tracking or subject tracking or object tracking. I mean, it is really good in this camera. I went out and tried these photos, I tried some videos. If you see these, I mean, these are awesome. The detail it can take, you know, the 33 megapixel camera that brings the detail is really awesome in this thing. And one of my favorite, why I waited so long, was Sony. I mean, so other Sony camera has this kind of feature, but this one is one of the best because of the screen here. So as a vlogger, as a YouTuber, if you see, I can hold my camera and see it. So if I turn it like that, I can see myself, and plus having a full frame lens, it gives me that good beautiful view to film myself. Then it has an inbuilt image stabilizer, so if you're walking with your camera, by AI thing has so good that it actually, you know, stabilizes your photo. That's another cool features I think this camera has. Then I took some of the photos in low light, and I realized that this is one of the best camera for low light photography. This takes really good photos compared to my Canon 90D, if I remember. This is really awesome. Like, so these were some of the features and some of the reason why I bought this camera. I'm gonna use this camera for about a week or two, and I'll see how it feels after using, and then I'll do another video about my review on this camera and some of the awesome thing you can do with this camera. So if you want to see that video as well, please go down and hit that subscribe button so that you will get the notifications of that video as soon as I post it, so you won't miss any single thing. And even if you just like travel video or any fun stuff to see on the channel, please go hit that subscribe button and hit that notification icon so that you get all the notifications of my cool awesome videos. Now let's talk about 3 things in this camera can be improved or could have been better. So number 1 thing is this camera does not have a flash. So there is no attached flash in this camera. You have to put an external flash through this shoe mount. I think hot shoe, that's what it's called. Here you can attach an Here you can attach one external flash, but it does not have an inbuilt flash. That's one drawback. But as I said, it has a really cool, awesome low light feature, like low light photography features that sometimes you might not even need an external flash. The second thing which I say could have been better is the battery life compared to my Canon 90D, which takes about 1100 photos per battery charge, whereas this one takes only 550 photos. So you can see the comparison of the battery life, not so good. So if you're using this camera, you might need multiple batteries with you. And then finally, the most important one, the price. Canon 90D, I bought it just the body for $1,200 about 4 years ago, sorry. This one I bought it body with this one kit lens, $2,870, and this total cost me $3,000. I know, $3,000. So if I convert into Indian rupees, because I'm from India and I like to convert and understand how it sounds, so it's about 225,000 rupees, basically 2,25,000 rupees. That's a lot of money. I've never bought anything this expensive before. So guys, this is the most expensive camera I've ever bought. But hey, this is a good investment. So this was all about this camera, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want to see more unboxing videos about all the product I use, I have like a lot of different cameras. I have a drone, I have a gimbal, all those things, and I never make videos about that. So if you want to see all the videos about all those new products I buy and I use, write in the comment section and I will try and start making more unboxing videos for you guys. And for the review of this camera and how to use it as a beginner's guide, I'm gonna make a proper video about that. For that also, I would really want you to go down and click on that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please like that button, smack it, man, smack it, give it a hard smack on that like button. And yeah, I'll see you very soon with another exciting video. Till that time, my lovely people, do whatever you want to do in life, but don't forget to stay happy. Cheers.